Need a quick cardio burn? Well, in this video, we are gonna do a 10-minute no jumping cardio routine coming up. Now, before we dive into the workout, make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I post a new workout video or diet tip. Hey, my name is Jenny J, and I'm an online fitness and nutrition coach with over a decade of experience helping to change people's lives through my on-demand program, workout challenges, and social media. And in this video, we're gonna be doing a 10-minute no jumping cardio routine. So this is gonna be perfect if you are short on time or maybe have neighbors downstairs and you don't wanna do a lot of jumping. Or this is perfect for those who just want to protect their joints. Maybe you're healing an injury and don't want that high impact. In this workout, we're gonna be doing 5 exercises, 45 seconds each move with a 15-second rest and transition into the next move. Once we do all 5 exercises, we're gonna repeat that from the very top. As always, go at your own pace and let's get started. For the modified burpees, drop down into a squat, step your feet out into a plank. Then when you come back up, make sure the heels are down, chest open, shoulders back and down, reach those hands up nice and high. For these alternating knee tucks, step one foot, drive the other knee into the chest, keep that core nice and tight, and keep pumping those arms. For your skater lunges, step one foot to the back corner of your body, bend those knees deeply and drive those hips back and down as you reach your fingers towards the floor. For these slam ball squats, really load up those legs, pretend you're holding a 10-pound medicine ball, then slam it down using lots of power and intensity. For the inchworms to 2 lunges, drop to a high plank. Keep the core nice and tight. Then as you come back up, take 2 big steps forward, making sure that both knees are at 90 degrees.
Keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my
so much for working out with me today. If you enjoyed today's workout, please like and comment below and let me know how the workout went. As always, I upload new workout videos and nutrition tips every single week, just like these, so make sure to check that out. And if you want more on-demand workouts from me where you feel like I'm working out with you right in your living room, head to jennyjfitness.com and get a 7-day free trial to my on-demand program where you get access to cardio, strength, high-intensity interval training, dance, Pilates, yoga, and so much more. I'll see you on the next one.